Hello there. Now I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Venmo to any other bank accounts. So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved for Venmo, I have visual aids for you to go through on this tutorial. Let me just pull them out right there very quickly. Now, I want you to log into the application first, of course. And then before transferring money, we need to link the bank account we want to transfer to. So log into your application, click the three dots on the top right section over here, and you'll see this pop-up notification. I want you to click on payment methods over here, and then next one, after clicking that payment methods, you'll arrive on this notification that says add a bank or card. Basically, we want to add the bank, of course. So after clicking this one, Venmo will ask you some details, for example, the bank name, the account number, the routing number, the name, the address. Please fill everything up. After clicking that one, you just successfully link a bank to your Venmo account. Next one, choose the specific bank and then click on Manage. After clicking Manage, you're gonna see this landing page. Just input the amount you want to transfer on that specific bank. Now, after clicking that amount, you'll have two options, either instant or 1 to 3 business days. So instant will charge you 1% fee of the amount, and then the business days, of course, no fee. So I suggest you always choose 1 to 3 business days unless it's really emergency. So that's how you transfer money from Venmo to any other bank accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, okay? Bye for now.